on sum, at what percentage per annum will a sum of money, suppose a sum of money will be doubled in 8 years. Suppose I am going to put say 10,000 rupees. In 8 years it should be 20,000 rupees. And what should be the interest? Right, that type of sum. Here what is that? Amount is 2 times the principal. What is the formula for amount? Amount is given by principal plus simple interest. Amount is 2 times P, correct? Principal interest is P R percent into T. You bring this side, 2P minus P is equal to P R percent into T. 2P minus P is what? P. P is equal to P R percent into T. P by P get cancelled. This becomes 1 into R percent into T. Now T is what? 8 years, correct? Therefore, R percent into 8 equal to 1, or R percent is equal to R by 100 percent into 8 equal to 1, or R equal to 100 by 8, or 50 by 2, or 25 by 50 by 4, 25 by 2, or 12.5. That means rate of interest should be what? 12.5%. This is a multiple choice question, right? For 1 mark, multiple choice question, say 1 mark. We can do that. See again, another sum is, see, the sum of money rent out at simple interest amount 2,200 in 1 year. That means the amount for 1 year is what? 2,200. The amount 1 year and 2,200, 2,800 in 4 year. That means 4 year 2,800. Find the sum of the money and rate of interest. Now this is a very peculiar sum. Amount for 1 year is equal to principal plus simple interest for 1 year. That is, amount is what? 2200, principal plus simple interest for 1 year. Similarly, if you subtract these two, what is the amount for? That means 2000 A2 A4 minus A1 gives what? 2800 minus 2200. 2800, how much? 600. That is, how to say, amount for 4 year is equal to principal plus principal into simple, amount for 4 year is equal to principal and simple interest for 4 year. Amount for 1 year is equal to principal plus simple interest for 1 year. If I do like this, I can subtract these two, right? If I subtract A4, what is A4? A4 is 2800, A1 is 2200. If I subtract, how much I'll get? 600. I'm getting 600. That means if I subtract this, PP get cancelled. Simple interest for 4 year minus simple interest for 1 year is equal to 600. That was simple. That is simple interest for 3 years is equal to 600. Therefore, simple interest for 1 year is how much? 600 by 3. That means 200. Simple interest for 1 year is equal to 200. That means simple interest is what? Principal, rate of interest and time is equal to 200. Time is equal to 1 year, is it not? Therefore, principal and rate of interest into is equal to 200. Okay. Now you got this much. Now you got what is amount for 1 year? Amount 1 year is what? Principal plus simple interest for 1 year. Amount for 1 year is how much? 2200. Principal you don't know, but simple interest for 1 year is how much? 200, is it not? 200. Therefore, what you observe? Principal you can calculate. Principal is equal to 2200 minus 200. Therefore, principal how much you get? 2000 you are getting. Rupees 2000 rupees you are getting. Then find the rate of, how to find the rate of interest? Simple interest for 1 year, how much you got? 200. That is equal to principal, rate of interest 1 year, T is 1 year is equal to 200. Principal how much you got? 2000. Principal is 2000. Therefore, 2000 percentage of interest is equal to 200. 1, you cancel this. Therefore, R percent is equal to 2 by 20 or 1 by 10. Or R percent is R by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. Get cancelled. R is equal to 10. Therefore, rate of interest is equal to 10%. See, this is a very, very tricky problem. This is a very, very tricky problem. And therefore, now you know how to do this. The sum of amount rented for this one. See, therefore, you have to be very, very careful in writing this sum. I will do it this again. See, here I tried one time. I did not get it. Now I am going to try this again like this. Okay. See, let me try in this much space. I'll try it again. The sum of money rented at simple interest 2200 in first year. Therefore, simple interest. Therefore, amount for 1 year is equal to 2200 and 2800 for 4 year. The amount for 4 year is 2800. Find the sum of the money. Find the sum of the money and rate of interest. Rate of interest. Therefore, here it is very, very tricky. Sum of the money, what does it mean? The sum of money rented for amount is for this much, and the sum of money is given. That means a rent out for simple interest amount, this amount rented for this. Therefore, they should have find the sum of the money. They should have asked what is the principal. Find the principal and rate of interest. This particular part is confusing. It is not that clear. What do you mean by find the sum of the money and rate of interest? What is the sum of the money of what? Sum of the money invested or sum of the money you are going to get the last? First let us see. First we will calculate what is the principal and rate. Later we will discuss. See, for total amount in the first year is equal to principal plus simple interest for the first year. That is how much? 2200. Amount for the 4 year is equal to principal plus simple interest for 4 years is equal to 2800. If you subtract this, that means A4 minus A1 is equal to this. That is PP get cancelled. See, get cancelled. Simple interest for 4 year and simple interest for 1 year is equal to how much? 200 rupees we get it. sorry 600 rupees. That is simple interest for 3 years is equal to 600. Therefore, simple interest for 1 year is equal to 600 by 3, that is equal to 200. Simple interest for 1 year is equal to 200. Now, I'll write it here. The amount for the first year is equal to principal plus simple interest for 1 year. That is, amount is how much? 2200. Principal simple interest for first year is equal to 200. Then you bring this side. As a result, principal is equal to 2200 minus 200. Therefore, principal is equal to 2000. You are going to get it. That is pass. Then again, what? Simple interest for first year is equal to principal rate of interest and number of year is 1, 200. Here P you substitute 2000, R percent is equal to 200. Here 20 get cancelled. Therefore, R percent is equal to 2 by 20 or 1 by 10, or R by 100 is 1 by 10. Get cancelled. R is equal to 10, or rate of interest is equal to 10%. I have calculated rate of interest now. What is the rate of interest you got? The rate of interest is equal to 10%, and the principal sum of the money principal invested is 2000 rupees. 2000. But it exactly tally with the textbook answer, but both are okay. But this sum is it's still confusing. It is not. Find the sum of the money. What money? Sum of the money is what? Either what they have invested for first year and the 4 year. Sum of the money becomes 2000 plus 4000 it becomes. But the textbook answer is 10% and 2000, only that much. Right? Now, in how much time will the simple interest on 800 at 12.5 per annum be 125 rupees? That means they are asking you how much time will the simple interest on 800, that is principal is how much? Rupees 800 at 12.5 per annum. The rate of interest is 12.5%. So that the simple interest per annum will be 125. That means the simple interest is rupees 125. You read it properly. By how much time will be the simple interest? This is a subject. Interest on 800. On 800 means on the principal at 12.5 per annum. That means that represent rate to be. That means simple interest is 125 rupees here. The simple English I'll tell you. The simple interest is 125. The principal is 800 rupees. Rate of interest is 12.5. This they formed this sentence. Okay. Therefore, simple interest formula is what? Principal, rate of interest and time taken. Now simple interest is what? 125. The principal is 800. Rate of interest 12.5% T. Therefore 125 is equal to 800. 12.5 by 100 into T. Okay, these two get cancelled. Therefore 125 divided by 12.5 equal to T. 12.5 is what? 25 by 2. Is it not? Therefore 125 by 25 by 2 equal to T. This T goes up. 2 into 125 by 25 is equal to T. 25 one time, 25 5 times. Therefore T is equal to 5 2s are 10 years. Is it correct? 12.5%. 12.5 simple interest. Rate of interest. Or I have my own doubt. What is a just simple interest is 125. Simple interest is given by a formula P R percent into T. 125 P is 800, R percent is 12.5 by 100 into T. This get cancelled. Therefore T is equal to 125 by 12.5. 12.5. T is equal to 1250 by. Then what we did, this 8 I forgotten. See, that is another big mistake. Here I forgotten that 8. Calculation will go wrong. We went wrong here. Here what you write here, 125 is equal to 8 into 12.5 T. Therefore T is equal to 125 by 8 into 12.5 or 125 0, 8 into 125. That means I shifted one decimal. Therefore this how many times? 10 times 10 by 8 or 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 4 how many times? 1 time. 4 remainder is 1. Therefore 1 1 4 year. Therefore the time is equal to 1/4 year or 1 year. 1/4 year is means what? 1/4 year. That is 12 months by 4. How much? 3 months. 1 year 3 months. In by 1 year 3 months, the simple interest is going to be 125. Okay, the simple interest. Therefore you have to be very, very careful in calculating the problem. See, I left out this 8, therefore it become 10 year. See, instead of waiting 1 year 3 months, you have to wait for 10 year. If I do the wrong calculation, if you work it with the bank, they will dismiss you, right? Here what we'll see this sum, how to do this. That this sum, what sum rent out at 6.25% per annum produces the same simple interest in 2 years at the rate at 1500 rent out at 5% produce in 1 year 4 months. That means what sum rent out at what 6.25% per annum produces simple interest for 2 years. 2 years at 1500 rent at 5% in 1 year 4 months. Just read out the properly. Here what they are asking you, how much money you have to invest, rent out. That means rent out at 6.25% for 2 years, right? 2 years at 1500 rent out at 5% for 1 year 4 months. 1 year 4 months means what? 1 year 4 months is 4 by 12 year. That means 1 by 3. 1 year 1 by 3 here. 1 by 3, or you can write 4 by 3 here. Therefore, P principal rent is what? 6.25 by 100 into 2 here is equal to 1500, 5% into 4 by 3. This 100 get cancelled. Now we have to calculate P. 6 2s are 12. No, here 2, yeah, 2 here 2 get cancelled. Just to cancel it out. Therefore, P into 6.25 is equal to 1505 by 22 by 3, 500, 10. This is 5000. The P is equal to 5000 by 6.25. Right, 6.25.